Hello everyone and welcome. Peter here, Piotr Fissner from Inte.Team. How you doing, guys? So today I can show you we've got a new feature in Book Repair Online, and I'm super excited about this feature. So as you know, we've got technicians and apprentices, and we've got people who are renting from us Book Repair Online. If you're not renting already, who's watching it, yes? So we've got customers who are using Book Repair Online, and we've got our technicians and apprentices. So now when we've got those, we need to pay them and we need to calculate their earnings. So this is what we've created. Okay, I will show you the first picture. Now as you see in the details of booking, we can go down and we've got a feature called Pay Technician. Yes, so that's what we have here. Okay, so that's Pay Technician. We might correct certain things in the future, but for now it is the way it is. Okay, and here when you click it, you've got Create Payment or Back to Booking Details. Again, we might correct some things because here you've got only large letters, and here the first letter is large and the rest is just small case letters. Yes, so we will be correcting certain things in the future. For now, we're just trying to make sure that the functionality of the app is just intact. Then you see you've got a no data here yet, yes, and then you've got technician status, amount, description, and created at. Yes, that should be created at. So that's what I meant. But I'm still happy that this feature is working. And then when you go to create that one, you see it's payments for technicians, yes, and there is a booking ID for this particular booking. You select a technician from drop-down menu. You select a status, if it was paid already or will be paid. Later you can enter this booking ID and you can edit this status to let's say paid or cancelled. Yes, that's not a problem. And then you've got amount, and you can add extra description, which is not mandatory. You don't have to do it. So then feature which will be added to this feature will be so that I can see particular technician and their earnings, and then I can go through their statuses and change only from to be paid on to paid. That will be easier because now I need to go, when customer is coming in and they are paying, then I will need to mark it as to be paid, and I don't see when I need to pay my technician what I need to pay them, but this way I will be able to go to that technician and will be to be paid, to be paid, to be paid, and we can see that it's certain amount, and that amount I can pay and only change statuses of those jobs. And in that case, it's squared up in the easier way. In the future, we will have like a more robust solution because it will be improved. For now, it's awesome that it is, and will be improved so I can see those things per technician, and I will be able to update jobs per technician. And if I'm squaring up, I'm going to all of the statuses which are not paid, and I will just mark them as, edit them as paid. And as well, technicians see on their side how much they are being paid for each particular job, because there is a section earnings at when you've got a role technician, and that technician can see exactly how much they are making per each month. So I would say this is a really good way of keeping track of your payments, making it easier, transparent, and so on, and making my life much easier, because I was using chat, which was a bit confusing and so on. You weren't sure if you've done something or not, whereas here is a daily backup, no problem. When technician is going on a holiday, we can switch the account like in the no access status if they would lose a phone or something. Yes, then when they are coming back, we can just enable it back, and they can have access back again to everything what they have inside, including the payments. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show in this video. Hope you enjoy this feature as much as I do. This is really awesome, especially if someone is running their workshop and they would like to use Book Repair Online. You can see how features are developed. It's an awesome app, the best in in the world from what I know for any repair shop out there. And these features are growing like mushrooms. So, you know, thank you to our web dev team for great job. We are entering a good period of time because the business is growing. The number of people using Book Repair Online is growing as well. So I would say that we are in green now. You know, we are in green, so we're not anymore paying only for the servers like I'm doing for the last years, but we start to see green light. That means we start to see small but profits. And if this will keep on growing this way, our web dev team will have rewards for doing their job. Because without them this wouldn't be possible. That's why thank you again, you know, to our web dev team. Awesome job, awesome features, and I'm super excited to see another features to come and improve those features as well. But that's it, that's everything in this video. If you don't mind, please leave us a like button, if not for me, to at least for the web dev team, for the great job they've done, and for anyone who will be using this so that they can enjoy it. Yes, thank you guys, see you in the next video, bye bye.